Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my horizontal classic size happy planner that I am supposed to be using for journaling. It's very hit and miss, but I want to decorate a spread and try again this week and see if I can journal. So I'm going to use Fanciful. These are some new florals that are available in my shop. They're perfect for spring. I'm going to use the matching kit as well. And I have a vision in my head of what I want to do here. I just don't know if I can make it happen, but we'll see. And then I grabbed this blue plaid washi. This is some that I had previously sold in my shop. I had told you a few videos back that I was going to try to find it again, but I can't find it. Oh, I ripped it. So, I don't know. I haven't even looked on Amazon. I would check Amazon and see if you can find, if you're interested, see if you can find some plaid washi. You know, and when I can find it again, I will restock it, but for right now I can't find it to put back in my shop. So I'm just going to put this washi on my little paper cutter here, and I'm going to cut it just to make it a little bit thinner, because it is a thick washi. So I want it to be a little bit thinner to go with my little vision that's in my head. What I want to do is make some clusters. So we'll see if I can get the clusters accomplished. I don't know. We'll see what can happen. So I'm actually a little bit late filming. I'm filming, today is Monday the 18th, so the first day of this week that we're decorating for. I actually had a really productive weekend aside from work. It's like one of the first weekends that I have not worked in a while. So I cleaned up the yard, moved the patio furniture, we grilled out, went and got groceries, all kinds of productive things that I got done. So I'm a little bit late. I know I said that I was going to film on Saturday, but I didn't. I decided to take that time and get some things done that needed to get done. So now today I'm filming, and I really need to get my taxes together because April, whatever tax day is this year, is fast approaching. So that'll be something I'm going to do as soon as I get caught up with filming. And I have, I think, like 8 orders in my order queue that need to be filmed. So I'm going to work on getting those filled here shortly. All right, I'm going to pull this back up. I hope this doesn't rip the page. I shouldn't have laid that quote down yet. Oh, it's going to rip the page. It's okay. All right, so my little vision here is to lay down washi and then cluster around the washi with some florals and boxes. So let's take a pink box. Let's see if I can make this little cluster work. I don't know. This is just a little vision that I have in my head. I think I was laying in bed last night. You know how you lay in bed and you just get all these great ideas, and then by the time you wake up in the morning, you forget them? I didn't forget this one. And let me tell you a trick I do whenever I am laying in bed and I have all these cool ideas that I tend to forget. I'll take my phone and I'll use the Notes app and write down the ideas in my Notes app, so that I'm not getting up looking for paper and pen. I just grab my phone and write down in the Notes app my ideas, so that I can go back to them, you know, when I wake up in the morning and go, oh, what was that good idea I had when I couldn't sleep last night? So yeah, there's a little tidbit of information. But I didn't have to do that. I remembered this idea. And then what I want to do is take some of these decorative pieces and kind of decorate around the floor, or the boxes and the washi. So I think we're going to make this one kind of go like this. So I'm going to just take my X-Acto and kind of trim. I should use a ruler, but I'm not going to use a ruler right now. Just trim that like that, and then I'm going to try to lay this along the side. See what this looks like. I'm not going to white out the dates or anything. Whoops, I didn't cut that all the way. I'm not going to white out the dates or anything, just because I want to still be able to see them through the sticker. Oh, it's so pretty already. I love it. Yeah. So I do still have the 50% off sale in my shop. If you still want to save 50% off, I'm not sure how much longer I'm gonna continue having that sale. I may stop it at the end of March. That's something that I'm thinking about doing. So you may want to grab your stickers while you can at 50% off. I'm probably, once I do stop the 50% off, I'm probably just going to go back to my normal, you know, 25 to 30% off. So, I mean, it's not that much of a difference, but that extra 20% does help, especially if you want to stock up. So it's something I am seriously considering to discontinue that, at least for now. One of my Cricuts, another one of my Cricuts died the other day when I was, Friday, I think, when I was working on still getting caught up on my orders. So in the last month, that's 2 Cricuts now that have died. So my Cricuts are going on like 3 years old. And so, you know, it takes money to replace all this equipment. So 50% off may come to an end for a little while here soon. We'll see how it goes. But that's something that I'm really considering doing. All right, so we're gonna trim that washi. And I think I wanna trim this just a little bit. Like that. It's so pretty, y'all. Look at the little cluster, I love it. So yeah, 50% off through the end of March at least. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue it into April. And then around the 1st of April, I will have a new release. I try to do a new release at the beginning of every month. And then occasionally I'll do one in the middle of the month. I just don't have anything right now because of all the delays and whatnot that I had going on with my sticker paper and orders. So let's see. I want to do something here. I'm just not sure what. I kind of want to do a little something like right here, but this one I think I'm going to lay on top of my cluster. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty on top like that. So I cut it to the side here, and then I've got it laying over top of my boxes on that side. So this is really cute, just with the one cluster. Kind of feel like I want a little something here, but I'm not sure what. Don't know. I wonder if I have a mini sticker sheet. Let me look in my stash over here. I do. All right, so let's see if maybe I could use some mini florals over here around this quote. I think we'll use this little one here. That's cute. All right, so I think I'm finished with this side. Now let's go do a cluster on the other side, similar to this one. Probably gonna do it like down here at the bottom, and then put, I wanna use, wherever my quotes just went, I wanna use Not Today, Satan. Or maybe he left the 99 to rescue me. I think I wanna do that. I think we're gonna put this here. Actually, I'm gonna wait. No, I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down like I did on the other one, and then I'll just pick it up to put some florals around it, just like I did on the other side. I just won't lay it all the way down. Okay, so now let's take, don't really want to use the blue, but I might need to. So we'll go there. I hate to use the blue. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to piece together 2 boxes to make a long box. So we'll put that there. And then I'll take this box, kind of want to make it the same height. So we'll cut to right about here. And then put it together. Oh, I cut on the wrong end, you guys. Oliver, you got to be quiet. You're too loud. So I cut on the wrong end just because I do these at home on my Cricut. So sometimes the lines aren't exactly the same width on your boxes, just depending on the way that the Cricut cuts them. So we are going to remedy that right now, just by cutting that way. Let me wipe this out. And then let's see how much. Kind of want it to be the same height. Okay. So we're just going to put a little bit of it up here. All right. So there, I made my own long vertical box. And then I'm going to do the same thing I did on the other side. I'm going to take a blue. So this time I think I'm going to take this blue off to the side here. And then again, I always say this whenever I do these horizontal spreads. If I run out of room to journal, I will just grab a filler sheet, like an insert, and slip in between these two pages and just continue on. Sometimes, you do run into that if you decorate too much, but there's always a remedy. Just throw some fill paper in there and carry on. All right, so now we want to go off this side here. So I'm going to do the same thing and cut this one right there. And then we'll go off this side. It's so pretty, y'all. I love this. And then let's go ahead and rip my washi a little bit. So there, and then I just want to make this edge a little bit jagged to kind of match the other side. Okay. And then I think we'll lay something down here like we did over here. So let's do this one. Yep, we'll do this one. Yeah, this is really pretty, y'all. Very dainty and springy. All right, so now I want to decorate around my quote. So we're going to put this up top here. And I just like putting my quote over top of my florals. I think it looks better. And then let's see, do I want to decorate down here? I don't know if I do or not. Decisions. Let's see. Yeah, I think I will. I'll use this one. This is pretty. Oops. Which way was I going to go now? I already forgot. Like that. Okay. Yes, very, very pretty. Look how pretty it is, y'all. It's very simple too, and I still have plenty of room to write. I can write in my boxes. I can write around the boxes. Now for like Saturday and Wednesday, I may have to put, I could put a half sheet, or I could put a full sheet of filler paper in here. Either way, I'll definitely still be able to continue onto another sheet if I do run out of room. So now I'm just trying to decide if I'm done. I think this has plenty. I think it's enough, honestly. I don't think I need to add anything else. Yeah, I don't think it really needs anything else. So let's put it back in my planner. That was a pretty quick video, I think. Y'all let me know what you think about these florals. Aren't they so pretty? So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram. Not really very active over there or on TikTok, but I do have channels or pages over on TikTok and Instagram. So head over to my website, 𝗑𝗏𝗟𝗡𝗠𝒠𝒠𝒠😅plan.com, and grab your stickers 50% off while that sale is still going through the end of March at least. So that is it for this video. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.